Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a healthy burrito bowl at home. First, select a nutritious base like brown rice or quinoa. Next, incorporate a lean protein source such as grilled chicken, seasoned ground turkey, or hearty black beans. Remember to add plenty of colorful vegetables like bell peppers and corn to boost your nutrient intake and add vibrant flavors to your bowl. This simple start sets the stage for a delicious and wholesome meal. Now, let's elevate your bowl with fresh toppings and bold flavors. Pile on some fresh salsa, pico de gallo, or diced tomatoes for a juicy kick. Don't forget to include healthy fats with creamy sliced avocado or a generous dollop of homemade guacamole. A squeeze of fresh lime juice and a sprinkle of chopped cilantro will brighten all the flavors, making your burrito bowl truly irresistible and satisfying. Choosing the right dressing is key to keeping your burrito bowl healthy. Instead of heavy, creamy options, go for a light vinaigrette or a refreshing lime cilantro dressing. You can easily whip up your own by combining olive oil, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and your favorite spices. This way, you control the ingredients and avoid unnecessary sugars and unhealthy fats, ensuring your bowl remains a nutritious choice. The best part about making burrito bowls at home is the endless customization. Feel free to experiment with various proteins like shrimp or tofu and different vegetable combinations to keep things exciting. For an extra touch, consider a small sprinkle of low-fat cheese or a dollop of plain Greek yogurt as a healthier sour cream alternative. Now, enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make, and incredibly healthy homemade burrito bowl.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.